Hey girlies, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be doing a everyday wearable soft glam kind of look. So I've already primed my face and now I'm going to go into color correcting. For my under eyes I'm using Lancôme Tint Idole Ultra Rick Concealer, the shade 460. Foundation, Catrice True Skin Hydrating Foundation. I have the shade 080 Neutral Pecan. I use one pump because one pump of this foundation dispenses quite a bit of product. With the Maybelline Fit Me shade 40. Yeah, 40. Is she running out? I mean, she should be. I use it a lot. And then for bronze I'm gonna use Dolce&Gabbana face and eyes match, the shade 05 Deep. So do girls like everyday, like natural makeup, or would you like a nice soft glam for every day? Because you can wear soft glam every day. It's very, very possible. I put too much. Okay, no need to panic. It's just makeup. So I'm just gonna wipe off the excess on my paper towel and then blend. Okay, crisis averted. The bronzer has a really, really nice warm undertone, just how I like it. But this is just the deepest shade, honey. Then what are people darker than me gonna wear? That's crazy. And I thought when I bought it, I thought it would be too dark. I thought I would have to go in very, very lightly. But here it is blending in so well. To highlight the Essence Brighten Up powder, the loose one, e.l.f. Halo Glow Setting Powder. And then for blush, I'm gonna use the Sheglam Lightweight Matte Blush in the shade Alice. That's what Alice looks like. Very nice, pretty pink. You know what? This blush is very pigmented, so I'm just gonna use the same brush I use for bronzer. Just to kind of you can also use red blush if you have. That also gives a look, a really nice kind of glammed up look. I should have used red blush actually, but it's fine. Pink is also good. Okay, for eyeshadow I'm going to use this one, the Ultimate Nudes palette. I'm gonna use these top two shades. So really give me a really nice something without doing too much. You can see the brush. I think I went too high. And then also on a pink, put this middle one just on the outer edges, like just to give a little bit of definition. I'm going in like with like a tiny tap in. Okay, that's enough. And then that shimmer shade in the middle. Gorge. So pretty. This palette by itself is really like glam, but like nude glam. But really nice. Really pretty. I'm gonna go back in with the brush I use for the all over lip, just to blend out the edges. Right, so I'm gonna put on my lashes, liner, and I'll be back. Let's do a lip combo. 790 Brownie Pie by Rimmel. And then I'm gonna go in with this Rouge Dior Velvet Bullet lipstick in the shade 100 Nude Look. That's what it looks like. It's like a pinky kind of nude. Perfect for the eyes actually. Okay, so this very quickly turned into a pink look. But I'm not mad at it. But it's a pinky kind of soft glam look. So, alright, so we are done here. So what do you think about this look? Soft glam, but with a touch of pink. Thank you all so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please give me a thumbs up. Let me know your thoughts in the comment section and subscribe for more content. And I will see you all in the next video. Take care. Bye.